Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Christos. I've reviewed Christos's account previously in March, and Christos has now gone on to move on to level 3 and managing 60,000 US dollars. Let's look at the journey of Christos. Christos has maintained a daily rate of 0.51%, a monthly turnover of 16.13%, and a drawdown of just 3%. Christos started managing 15,000 US dollars in March of 2021 when he started with us. And now that's Christos's start date was the 1st of March, and Christos now has gone on to $60,000, which is level 3 in the space of a month and a week. I have seen records being broken on the FTP program. Christos joins a class of a few traders of the recent month of the first quarter, January, February, March. Not to mention too many names, but I can mention people like Charles, people like Christos himself, and people like Camille. They've gone on to break the FTP record in hitting 10% with less trades. But these traders are very disciplined and prolific in their strategies. They have a solid trading plan, good money management, and I'll say experience as well. And they have certain things in common. For example, they stick to liquid pairs. I'm sure they analyze the fundamentals and they stick to time frames that suit their strategy and personalities. And executing a trading plan with no hesitation in a disciplined and consistent manner will always give us results. So discipline and consistency will always give us results. And this is what we're seeing now here with Christos, because I don't know what else to say, but apart from review this account with pleasure, because as you can see, Christos has only traded two pairs, the Euro US dollar and the Pound US dollar. Christos has made 12 trades on the long side and 24 trades on the short side, with a total combination of 611.8 pips. And what people don't seem to understand, on the FTP program, all you need is 300 pips at the maximum lot size to hit your 10%. But the caveat and the trick here is money management, discipline, a trading plan, and consistency. If you've got experience trading the markets, you should be able to do this with ease. But at the same time, it's not that straightforward, depending on market conditions, volatility, risk parameters set by the risk manager. But at the end of the day, traders are still achieving 10%, and this gets to show you it's achievable. Looking at Christos's advanced statistics, let's go on to his trade summary. We can see Christos has a total of 37 trades. He's won 23 out of 37, which represents 62% accuracy with his strategy. I only lost 14 out of 37, which is great. So Christos is 62% accurate with his predictions and his analysis. By the end of the day, you can be right or wrong in trading and still end up with positive results. So coming down now, looking at Christos's current account, he hasn't got any trades open at present. But if we look at some of his history of his trades, Christos has quite a few gains and he's had quite a few losses as well. And you see on average, Christos tends to hold these trades from hours to days. But as we can see, losses and gains are moderate, just 3 pages of data. But Christos has definitely showed us that money management is key here. Christos has only been with us for 2 months, and looking at the 8 weeks, he's made 14.03% in March, and he's made 6.46% and counting for April. So this brings Christos to 20.476%. So Christos, well done. I can't really say a lot more according to what you've done here. You've clearly got the routine here. You got the strategy in place. And just as I reviewed Camille and Chris's account, Christos, I challenge you to get to 120,000 US dollars with the same discipline and consistency by May. In May, you can do this, Christos, and I look forward to reviewing your account I challenge you to do this in May, maintaining the same strategy, the same discipline and consistency. Christos, I wish you all the best. It's always a pleasure reviewing an account like this.